Alright guys, Sensei Preston here. Sorry I'm in the back dungeon room. I just mopped the red mat, the main floor. So, you know, the floor is wet so I can't go out there. But I do want to show you guys this tournament intro really quick because some of us have some questions on that. And better than writing it down on the sheet, we're giving you a sheet of paper which is also available. I'm just going to demonstrate it for you so that you guys can tell your kids and show your kids how they should be. Now right now the way I'm talking is, you know, just normal, whatever, it's my normal speaking voice, a little bit elevated, but when they walk up to the judges, you know, we've done some mock tournament stuff like that, a lot of them, you know, get really nervous when it's time to speak. But the more you practice, the better you get, all right? And then the more confident you get, the more you're going to believe in yourselves, even at the age of 3 and 4. So, right back here, and let's just pretend this is the back of the ring. They're going to walk all the way up, nice and strong, and do a natural stance. And then nice and strong, you're going to say, "Judges, my name is Sensei Preston. My kata is Little Champions, Form 1. Judges, may I please begin?" Then the judges will say yes, and then the kids will say, "Thank you, judges." Now, walk back just like this, and then they'll say, "Little Champions, Form 1, or Little Champions, Form 1. And then I'll go for a 4 stand, and they'll start their kata. Okay? So that is your tournament intro. Alright? Just the words, "Judges, my name is." They say their name. They say what kata they're doing. Little Champions Form 1 for this tournament. Alright? Or if you're in the bigger kids class, Champions 1, Champions 2, Champions 3, common set, so on and so forth. Alright? Judges, may I please begin? The judges will say yes, then they're going to bow and say, "Thank you, judges." Walk backwards, don't turn around, because that's bad, disrespectful. Alright? So you're going to walk backwards, and then you're going to start your form. Alright guys, Sensei Preston out. I'll see you soon. Practice, practice, practice.